Ben, my husband, and I were married for about 2 years when he came to me and said, Lisa, I want to buy a SERVPRO with Jordan. And I said, SERVPRO? What's SERVPRO? I had no idea what SERVPRO or even restoration or remediation was. And you have to understand that at the time I was not a risk taker. So my husband, with this stable job, coming to me and saying he wanted to open this business with his best friend, that's not something that I would normally be excited about. But I knew when he said that he and Jordan wanted to do it together, I was going to do everything in my power to make sure this happened. I had no idea what to expect. I just knew that with Ben and Jordan together, the people that they are, the hearts that they have, the positivity that they exude, I didn't know what to expect in terms of finances or success, but I knew that if there was any success to be had, that these two could make it work. No, I'm okay. We opened out of our 2-bedroom, 1-bath house in South Park, San Diego, and Ben and Jordan were on the trucks. I was working my corporate job. I'd come home from work, and Tawny, our office manager, who's still with us today, would be sitting at my kitchen table, working on the computer, doing her uploads, and the growth has happened so fast that you don't even realize how fast it's happening at times. And suddenly, you wake up a couple years later and you went from having 3 people in the business to over 40, and you kind of look around like, how did this all happen? We've never lost sight of why we got into this business, and it's always been entirely about helping people. When water and fire take control of your life, we help you take it back. SERVPRO, we can make it like it never even happened.